Are you a homeowner in Detroit struggling to sell your property, feeling like you're drowning in debt and bills, with no end in sight? You're not alone. I've seen it time and time again, and today we're revealing the top 5 zip codes where sellers are getting cash offers fast, and I'm talking $47,000, $67,000, even $97,000 in some cases. You might be thinking, how is this possible, especially in neighborhoods like Corktown, East English Village, or even areas like 8 Mile, Dearborn, Inkster, and Redford? I know firsthand the stress and anxiety that comes with being behind on bills, facing foreclosure, or dealing with the emotional toll of a divorce or inherited property. It's like a weight is crushing you, and you just want out, you want to break free and start fresh. But here's what nobody tells you: the traditional real estate market can be brutal, with agents taking their cut, and buyers trying to lowball you, leaving you with even less than you started with. You're not just losing money, you're losing time, and that's time you can't get back. But here's the thing, you don't have to go through this alone, and you don't have to wait months or even years for a sale. I've worked with countless homeowners in Detroit, and I've seen the impact that a fast cash sale can have on their lives. It's like a breath of fresh air, a chance to start over, and move on from the stress and anxiety. That's why I want to share with you the top 5 zip codes in Detroit where sellers are getting cash offers fast. Call or text 313-800-9790 or go to nationbuyshouses.com, link in description, to get started today. Now, I know what you're thinking: what are these zip codes, and how can I get in on the action? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about the zip codes, it's about understanding the market, and knowing how to navigate it. For example, in the 48219 zip code, we've seen sellers get cash offers of up to $63,000, and in the 48224 zip code, we've seen offers of up to $75,000. These are real numbers, and real results, and I'm not just talking about some vague promise of a quick sale. But here's what nobody tells you: the window of opportunity in Detroit is closing fast. Investors are flocking to the city, and prices are rising, which means that if you don't act now, you could be leaving money on the table. You could be selling your property for $30,000, $40,000, or even $50,000 less than you could be getting if you sold it today. That's why it's so important to act now, and to get in touch with us at nationbuyshouses.com, or by calling or texting 313-800-9790. So, what are the steps you can take to get started? First, you need to understand the value of your property, and what you can realistically expect to get for it. Second, you need to research the market, and understand what's happening in your neighborhood, and in the city as a whole. Third, you need to reach out to us, and get in touch with our team, who can guide you through the process, and help you get the best possible price for your property. And fourth, you need to be ready to act fast, because like I said, the window of opportunity in Detroit is closing fast. Now, I know that this all might seem overwhelming, but trust me, it's worth it. Selling your property for cash can be a game changer, and it can give you the freedom and flexibility you need to move on with your life. So, don't wait any longer. Call or text 313-800-9790, or go to nationbuyshouses.com, link in description, to get started today. And as a special bonus, mention this video, and we'll give you a free consultation, and a guaranteed cash offer for your property. In our next video, we'll be talking about the top 3 mistakes that homeowners in Detroit make when trying to sell their property, and how you can avoid them. But for now, I want to leave you with one final thought: the opportunity to sell your property for cash in Detroit is real, and it's happening right now. Don't miss out. Get in touch with us today, and let's get started on your path to financial freedom. Call or text 313-800-9790, or go to nationbuyshouses.com, link in description, to get started today.